Our Cather Heritage. For several years now, I've been actively working as one of the editors on Willa Cather's letters. The correspondence documents thousands of social interactions, both in person and via letters, that shaped Cather's experiences and perspectives. The vision of Cather one gets through editing her letters is a vision of a woman always living in relationship to another. Her choices and behaviors, her very ways of thinking and writing, are responses to other people who populated her lived experience. To study Willa Cather is not to look narrowly at only one person, but to use an individual life as a point of orientation. The more I learn about Cather, the more I realize how much I do not know and can perhaps never know. In this way, her life is like each human life, formed in a complicated system of expectations and evaluations. Cather's art lifts up human qualities that are simultaneously rare, yet accessible to all of us. Our inheritance, one we should acknowledge as sacred, is Cather's vision of a meaningful, connected, expansive, diverse, and honest human life. Thank you very much.